Jealous of how thin I am. Oh, oh, baby. Jealous of my love.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Carnegie Automotive.
Hmm?
Carnegie Automotive is where I'm going.
So you're picking up the car?
I'm picking up the car.
Okay.
Yes. Well, look how... Are you videoing me? Look how big this is, baby. Look how big. Oh, you're jealous of how big I am.
I'll get up now and get ready. Okay?
You're not coming with me, eh? Alright, fair enough. I'll see you later.
Hi! So, we're now going down to the beach, or we're going down to the Peninsula to visit his dad, and we might stay down there for a night.
That's right. We're going down to the Peninsula. That's what we're doing. It's Australia Day, so having a barbecue today. Doing a bit of light work while we eat or afterwards, and then we might go for a swim tomorrow.
Yeah, because tomorrow is Australia Day, and today we're going to have family lunch together.
That's right. Tomorrow is Australia Day.
Yeah, tomorrow is Australia Day.
Today is just the preamble.
Yes, so yeah. And we're going to update you guys when we arrive down the beach. And
here.
okay. So this is his dad's house. And we just arrived. What are you doing?
Working.
Cheers. Why are you mad though?
I'm working. Sorry, go talk to other people. Go.
How's the barbecue going?
Good man. What I'm thinking of doing, Jayvee,
Hot?
what I'm thinking of doing, I'm just smoking these chicken wings. I think it's going to take a while.
Yeah.
Stand cook, will you? What do you think? That'll be a while yet, won't it?
Yeah. Slow cook.
Hmm?
Slow cook.
Say hi to the vlog.
Eh?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey!
What's going on with the Barbie?
We got a lot of flipping here. We're going.
Yes.
We're going between the hot,
I can tell.
the hot Barbie, trying to get a bit of crispiness, and back into the slow.
We got hot. We got hot.
Slow
We got hot. We
smoker
got hot.
over here. How's it going, Papa?
I reckon 10 minutes and we're right.
It's going. What's the temperature here? Oh, it's still hot in here. Oh, hang on. This is Fahrenheit. So what is this here? It's
140.
140 Celsius. Yeah.
It's not that hot.
So it's Jeez, that's well insulated, isn't it?
Just leave that for a little while.
Say hi to the vlog, Sammy.
So what? Hi.
Big Sammy.
Sammy, speak.
I got little bitches. So what about this boat?
She said to me, come out to do the garden this afternoon. I said, oh, you're all right. She's at 2 o'clock. So we're 10 minutes into it, I'm into all the stuff. Right? She said, oh, you just got to pop down the shops for 5 minutes. I said, oh, you're all right. What time she came back? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. I said, where have you been? Oh, I've had my legs waxed, I've had a massage, I've did this, I did. 6 o'clock you came back.
But did she look fabulous?
You were nearly divorced. So I don't trust her anymore. She says she's got a problem.
That, of all the things I've heard of happening between you two, that was the divorce one.
That was a divorce point. 5 minutes. Bullshit. You've gone for everything.
You want a bit of everything? Alright.
Ow, you're burning me. Stop. Oh, but why are you burning me? Fucking burning. Just leave that. I'm trying to like organize things and you're burning my hand. Sammy, I'm done all this. I'm trying to do this. I'll do it. You do all that. I'm going in again. Strawberry.
Yeah, I had ordered pizza not that long ago and they delivered the wrong pizza and
It's better for them to just give you the thing, right?
Yeah, the sausage.
And then basically Uber takes the risk for the problem with my order pass.
Hey, yeah.
It's not Don, but it'll do.
Cheers.
Enjoy the beach.
Ow.
I'll see you when I'm done after.
Watch out. Take myself out before. Hey,
Catherine joining as well, hopefully soon. Can you guys see my screen okay? Okay. G'day, Catherine.
okay, after his work today, we're now going to Sammy's and Jackie's place, which is it's in Tutguruk. It's a funny place. It's Tutguruk. So yeah, and then we're going to meet Sammy and Jackie to their place, and we're heading down to Peninsula Hot Spring, you know, just to relax a little bit because it's a pre-birthday celebration of Jackie. So yeah,
That's what we're doing.
Yeah, he's been working all day.
Working all day.
I'll see you guys later when we arrive to Jackie's and Sammy's place. How are you?
Hey vloggers, hey YouTube, how y'all doing? We're down in the Peninsula Hot Springs.
Oh,
It's gonna be great. We're gonna get in the onsen, Australian onsen.
it's Jackie's pre-birthday celebration, courtesy of Sam.
Okay, so this is the walking reflexology foot spa down at the Peninsula Hot Springs. We have to walk through here. You have to maintain decorum and of course an enlightened mind. You know, being respectful of the local flora and fauna. This is a baby water chick. Yeah, waterfowl. Oh, and that's lovely. I can feel stones healing all of the organs of my body by the soles of my feet. What? Cleansing rejuvenation. Well, these ones are a bit bigger. Well, these ones are really big. Oh. Well, that was nice. This place is very, very picturesque. Let's see over here, they've got some sort of local pond area that they've landscaped. Probably.
So, what can you say about the Peninsula Hot Spring?
It's enormous. We've only been to about 3% of it. It's grown. It's gotten about 10 times bigger since I first came here. Huge.
Yeah. It's really a big hot spring resort
It's a resort,
here in
yeah.
Victoria. I was amazed. So far, it's really amazing compared to Japan. But I mean the place. I can tell that the place is so gorgeous, and yeah, I don't have anything to say. So yeah. So there you go, guys. Yesterday we went to his dad's place. We had a barbecue lunch together with the family, and after that we go to Peninsula Hot Spring. And yeah, after we went there to Peninsula Hot Spring, we just had the burgers.
Really tasty burgers from some place called Mr. Bentley down in Rye.
Yeah, and we wasn't able to film anything last night because we're so tired and so relaxed. And just hit the bed, like I think we slept 10 p.m. last night. So today is Australia Day and we had lunch.
Today, yes.
And it's Jacki's birthday too. So we took
Jacci, my stepbrother's
girlfriend, yeah.
Not my stepmother, Jacci.
Yeah. It's young Jacci. So yeah, we've been to, what's that place again? In Red Hill.
Yeah.
And we had a good lunch there. And again,
Hey, we got Johnny Ripe pie, delicious beef, and rosemary pie. We just had a salmon and barramundi and a beef and rosemary pie and some kale and cauliflower salad. It was delicious. And now we are driving the Porsche Macan back down to Safety Beach with our Johnny Ripe pie.
drove the Porsches.
Yeah, we drove the two Porsches.
No, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it
So Jacci and Dad and Sammy took turns driving the 911 and we got to drive the...
That was a little bit fun.
And now we're heading back home, and that's basically our 2 days trip here down the peninsula to see the family. And I hope you guys liked the video, and we're going to see you guys on our next one. See you guys, bye.